Hello everybody, it's Niklas and welcome to this new video on Floorplanner. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can add doors. So it is possible to add doors, and it is exactly the same principle of work if you want to add windows. So Floorplanner, very great if you want to create interior design, if you want to modeling the view of the interior of a house, an apartment, or just a room. It is a perfect software. It is a perfect online tool. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. First link on the description, the complete course is available. So if you want to learn more about Floorplanner, if you want to have a complete course with a nice structure and you want to train yourself, it will be perfect, and it is on the first link on the description. So let's start. The first thing that I'm going to do is just to draw walls here, and click on this point and create a first wall. So I can apply a value of 10 meter and validate, and then I can go in this direction and apply a second value with just 6 meter. I can come back with also 10 meter and just close on this area. So now the next step is to draw a room. So I can just go left click on this area, create a first room. So draw rooms, left click, and create a first element like, for example, this one, and create a second element, draw rooms, like, for example, this one, and create another room, like, for example, this one. If I want to add a door, you need to go on place door here, and you have different type of options. For example, if you just want a main door, you have this type of options. I can select, for example, this one, or I can select this one, something like this. This is more a balcony door, but you can also use this one. And you just need to snap on the wall and you can position. It's pretty easy. If I zoom a little bit with my scroll wheel, I can invert the position, because if I go on my 3D view and activate the location, you can find the element is here. Now it's nice, but I would like to invert the opening. So click here, you have different options, and you can flip horizontally, and here you can invert the opening if you need. And after, you can drag and move. You can see the different dimension to position your door. If I want to position a door inside, I can click on place door, and we have more basic options like this standard door, and I can go left click and drag and move on this area and position a door, for example, here. If I need to duplicate this door, I can just go left click, duplicate, and position another door here, and left click, duplicate, and position another door here. As you can see, it's not convenient. I need to change the opening, so I can click on this one, and I need to invert the opening direction like this and like this. And I can click on this one and invert the opening on this direction, and maybe I can stay like that. And each time you just need to position with the different dimension. If I select my 3D view, I can reset this parameter. I can also use walkthrough to go inside, and I can go inside my main room, and with left click I can turn around just like this, and with the arrow keys you can just move inside your space. After to do this work, if you come back on 2D view, you will have different options. So if you click on one of these doors, you can change the color of the frame color, door color, and you have also door 3 holes. If you need to change the dimension, you click here, and by default you have this wide and this 8. But if I want to increase the size of my door, as you can see, it is totally possible. So sometimes for a front door we can have maybe different size, so you can just change the size on this area. It works exactly in the same way if you want to add door, if you want to add windows. So you can find door window in place doors, and if I just continue, I have, for example, something like this one, a sliding door, and I can drag and move on a wall. And if I want to add a basic window, I can use place windows, and I have these different type of models, and I can use this one, and for example, position once here. And it is same, you can click on the window and you have different options with settings, and you can change the wide and the height. Raise from floor. Raise from floor, it depends on the window that you choose. Here it's directly at 0, but if I select this window, just like that, and settings, I have a raise from floor from 70 centimeter. And if you want to change the position, you can decrease or increase. You can also change the frame color on this type of window. If I select my 3D view, walk through again, now we can find this type of window here. And if I go inside this room, I can use my arrow keys exactly like I was walking inside my house, and you can see this window. So as you can see, it is a very convenient tool because it just drag and position the element. Drag and position the element. You have directly the right size. Even if you can edit, you have directly standard size. And it is very amazing if you want to earn a lot of time to work with interior design. So we are going to stop here for this video. If you like, subscribe to this YouTube channel. First link on the description, the complete course is available, my complete course. I'm an online teacher on different graphic design software, and I have a complete course on Floorplanner. You will see the description of the model, of the session, and at the end of the course, a complete project with the design of a house. This is on the first link on the description. And for our next video, see you. Ciao, ciao.